Look. This is Luke's first time. Look. Look right here. Look. First time in the park. Go. Throw it low, but so he can see it. Come over here, Leah girl. Roll over, Leah girl. Roll over here, Leah girl. Not over there. Come here. Looky. Are you having fun? Look at him. Look. Hi, you ready? Hi. Come here, Luke. Ready? Looky, ready? Oop, there's poop over there. Ready? Oh my goodness.
It's like if I see Bryson, then it's easy.
What? What did you find over there? Looky!
Hey, go long. It's right there.
Who have
Go
it?
grab it.
Who have it? Where is it? Show it to them.
Ready? Go get it. Ready?
Good job, Ray. What are you doing? Hey girl. What are you doing? Are you happy?
So then he started to say, like, oh, she likes him now. I guess because
You gotta meet your first friend. Come here. Let's go meet your first friend. Come on. There's Lala. Say hi, Lala. Ray, there's Lala. Come here, look. Who's that? I want you to smell Lala. Say hi, Lala. She's so sweet. She's like, okay, kiss me, everybody. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. No, get out of the dirt. Come on, Lala, let's go. Look, who's that, Luke? That's your new friend. Who's that? Okay, that's enough. Share the frisbee. You crazy dog. Crazy. Give it to me. Hey. You guys are too much. Okay, that's enough. Look who's here, guys. Tweety Dang. We're spending time with the dogs today. It's Sunday fun day. Look at Luke. Down. Let's go. Let's go. Woo.
Look at the little one trying to run too.
Woo. Yay. That's all. Go, 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 go. Come on. Let's go. Ready? Ready? Woo! Ready? Ray Ray, good job. Bring it here. Bring it here, Luke. Luke, bring it here, Lukey. Ready? Woohoo! Good job, Ray. Come here. Bring it here. Good job. Good job, Ray. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Roll over, Leah. Roll over. Roll over. Yay! Yay! Roll over. Bring it here, Luke. Good boy. You are so good for 3 months old. Luke, ready? Go, Luke. Yay! Luke, come here. Come here, Luke. Don't get distracted. Come here. Good boy. Ready, Luke? Go, Luke. Good boy. Good boy. You ready, Luke? Ready? Yay! At least he tried to catch it. Good job, Luke. Come here. Good job. Come on, bring it here. Bring it here. Woo! Come on. Come on, bring it here. Woo! Ray Ray. Ready? Come on. Come on.